Today we're working on the TSX wagon. Just doing a little bit of spark plugs, valve cover gasket. We're going to change the bulb, the turn signal bulb on that side, and most likely try to change this belt if we have enough time. A little mini tune up just to make sure she's good for the winter. So these are some Autolite spark plugs. We'll be taking these out. You can see there's oil on them from the valve cover leaking. Replacing it with some NGKs. Yeah, this one's number 3 cylinder. Sorry, this is number 2 cylinder. This one looks like it been through the war. Okay, this is number 1. It was due for a change. Has a little oil on it also. So just gonna drop the new ones in. And yes, I know everybody got their way of doing it. Don't drop the spark plug, but whatever. So once these are tight, I'm just gonna start taking out the valve cover. So to start, we took off the little beauty shield and we took out the dipstick. So now we're just gonna start taking out these grommets. These are all 10s. Then we have to go loosen this one over here, and basically separate everything that bolts to this side so you could have room to pull the valve cover up. So took this off, we removed this little bracket. There's 2 10s, one here and one here. So now we got a whole lot more room to just slide everything up. Trying to turn this out of the way. So this way you could just pull everything up without having to take that off. So right now we should be able to pull it up. Yeah, just trying to not lose these grommets. So that's it, everything came off. Doesn't look too bad, looks a little golden, but it's not burnt. So I guess this was pretty good on oil changes. Well, as you can see, the gasket still remains, so that means it was well past due. Clean this one out, switch them over to the new ones, and then reinstall everything. So this is a little bit hard to film. Basically, that's the grommet right there. It's been in there so long, it's kind of like frozen in. So I actually got to hit them out with a screwdriver from the top down. So that's what I'm doing. Just gotta make sure you don't damage the mating surface. So this is how this one looks. So it's not really easy to film this one, but just give me the general idea. Put it in like that. Go in between, right there, and just hit it down. So this is the new grommet. Normally I just put a little bit of WD-40 on the outside, so this way it slide in a little easier. So I put it like that. and just get like a socket to just hit it down until it stops. So they're already installed. Like I said, pull WD-40, push them in, and I use a 27 socket to push it down until it stops. So I have them back in the same location they were when I first took them out. So yeah, so that should be the right location. So now I'm just gonna put a new gasket on and put it in the car. So the gasket is on. I'm just gonna slap everything on the car right now. This will be a perfect time to clean out the valve cover, which I did a little bit, but right now we're good to go. Put a new one on. We'll put the gasket back on, put the valve cover back on, and then just bolt up. So everything's back together. This is the only thing I didn't tell you. You just gotta put this screw back. Just gotta put that 10mm screw back in. Put this breather back on. Install this dipstick. And just tighten these up, and the job is completed.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me,